Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu states, "We set out along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam wearing the ihram for Hajj Mufrad, whereas Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha went wearing ihram for Umrah. When we reached Sharif, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha started menstruating. When we reached Makkah Mukarramah, we performed circumambulation of the Kaaba and marched between Safa and Marwa. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam commanded, whosoever does not have a sacrificial animal should take off ihram. We asked, what does taking off ihram imply? He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, to become absolutely lawful, getting out of all restrictions of ihram. The reporter says, we then had sex with our wives, put on perfume and stitched clothes. We were 4 days short of the day of Arafah. Then we put on pilgrim garb on the day of Tarwiyah, 8th of Zulhajj. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam went to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and found her weeping. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, what happened to you? She submitted, the matter with me is that I have started menstruating. The people have taken off the ihram of Umrah, whereas I cannot, nor have I made circuit of the house. And now the people are proceeding to perform Hajj. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, it is such a thing as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has destined for Hazrat Adam's daughters. You should take a bath and put on pilgrim garb. She did the same and stayed at all the places. When she got clean, she performed circumambulation of the house and marched between Safa and Marwa. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam then said, you have got out of all restrictions of Hajj and Umrah. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha submitted, I feel in my mind that I did not perform circumambulation of the house before Hajj. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, O Abdul Rahman, go and get her to perform Umrah from Tan'im. This event occurred on Muhassab night. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2929.